नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ एनबीसीसी Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। एनबीसीसी Q3 रिजल्ट नेट प्रॉफिट सर्ज 38% टू 19,660 करोड़ ऑन कोसी प्रोजेक्ट रिवर्सल। NBCC Q3 financial year 26 net profit jumps 38% to 19,660 crore on 8,015 crore. Kosi project reversal green view provision at 46,883 crore. PMC segment leads. Mumbai NBCC India Limited reported a 38% year-on-year surge in standalone net profit at 19,660.26 crore for the December 2025 quarter, and difference by reversal of 8,015.53 crore write-down related to this Kosi Group housing project following a Supreme Court order. The board had earlier declared a second interim dividend of 0.21 per share face value 1 each for financial year 26 in November 2025, which was paid on December 9, 2025. Key highlight of NBCC Q3 financial year 26 results that net profit surged 38% to 19,660.26 crore against 14,277.56 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. The profit includes exceptional reversal of 8,015.53 crore related to Kosi project. Revenue from operation increases 2.8% to 2,08,753.75 crore against 2,02,988.14 crore in the corresponding quarter last year. Total income rose to 2,10,057.08 crore from 2,05,930.61 crore. Exceptional item net equity gain